everybody. Pete from Carpizzos. How you doing? Listen, today's kitchen tip, because we gotta keep our money and our budgets in check. So for all of you that have to watch what you're spending in the grocery store, because things got more expensive, right? Okay, coupons, coupons, coupons. This is Smith's or Ralph's. These are coupons. You can get them virtually. You can get them this way and take them into the store, or you can shop and have everything delivered to your house, like I've mentioned before, and Smith's or Ralph's or all the Kroger companies will take it off your bill. So remember today, coupons, coupons, virtual coupons. Go for it. Thank you, and we'll share for us. Go to Carpizzos Kitchen and Facebook. Go to Hilda
YouTube.